Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda CX-9 27 to 2016 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is the head unit special for Mazda CX9. Okay, firstly let me introduce harness. Okay, you can check this special harness for Mazda CX-9. You can check this connector connected to our head unit. Okay, this is radio antenna. Okay. This is special harness for Mazda CX-9. This is canvas box. It can be work with factory Bose sound system amplifier. Okay. The head unit will come with remote controller, GPS antenna, external microphone, mini front USB, it's 3M camera input. This connector back of head unit. This camera input, RCA type. Okay. This audio combo. This connector our back of head unit. This subwoofer. And this audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this connect back of head unit. It's AUX input, left and right. It's video input, video in, RCA type. Okay, let me introduce head unit. Okay, you can check this head unit front panel. These have DVD slots. You can check there is 2 screws. Please take out before installing. It's fixed DVD in the shippings. You can check the side. And this side. Okay, you can check back. This radio antenna, these connectors, this Wi-Fi, this fuse, It's power, GPS, it's LAN cable, 2 USB cable, and external microphone. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, please take out this screen protector before installing. You can adjust the brightness. Very fast response. It's built in high resolution. 1280 and 720 resolution, high resolution, HD IPS touch screen. Okay, it's faster response. You can set the date and time. It's automatically updated by GPS or network. It's radio. You can search radio stations. It's built in all apps are here. You can check this have Bluetooth. Back home and easy connection for Mirrorlink. Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You just connect the USB cable to make it work, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, it's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. Let me check the settings. Their built-in microphone is IR, its volume and power is next. Home button, navy button is SD card, 2 SD card slot and the front mini USB. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi and support hotspot from your phone. Let me check your boot machine. You can check MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, RAM 4GB, model is PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB, 64GB ROM. Okay, let me check the car settings. Personal settings. It will play music automatically by USB or SD card. You can turn off or turn on. It's ACC, power off delay, and LED settings. You can red, green, blue, orange, and any color. You can adjust this setting. Okay, it's restore system from car setting. Okay, you can change the language. All language already built in. You can change the system language and input. You can add the language. All language already built in. So many languages. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.